In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a waterfall chart in Tableau in just 5 minutes. First, let's make sure you have Tableau open on your desktop or laptop. Once you've got the application up and running, navigate to the section where you can open your worksheet. This is your primary workspace where you'll be building the waterfall chart. Now, let's move on to connecting your data. Load your specific data source into Tableau. The data that you load here will be the foundation for your waterfall chart, so ensure that it's the correct dataset you'll be working with today. Having your data loaded effectively means you'll see it in your data pane on the left side of the Tableau window. The next step involves setting up your visualization by using the columns and rows shelves. Take the time-based dimension from your data and drag it to the columns shelf. This action will place your data in a timeline format along the horizontal axis, which is essential for tracking changes over time. Following that, locate the measure you are interested in visualizing in a waterfall format and drag it to the rows shelf. This will arrange your data vertically, displaying the size or quantity of each segment on your graphs, such as sales, profits, or any other measure you are analyzing. Now that you have your data in place, let's perform a quick table calculation to start building the waterfall effect. Right-click on the measure pill you just placed on the rows shelf and select Quick Table Calculation. Then choose Running Total. This will help you accumulate the values over your time dimension, setting the stage for a waterfall-like flow of data. Next, let's get those distinct waterfall segments by adjusting the visuals on your chart. On the Marks card, you'll want to change the drop-down menu from Automatic to Gantt Bar. This is where the magic happens. You'll see all your data points align as small bars, providing the building blocks for your waterfall chart. Now pivot back to the measure on the rows shelf, right-click it again, and choose Create Calculated Field. In the calculation editor, simply enter the word size and click OK. This step creates a new calculated field that will allow you to modify the appearance of your chart. Drag this newly created field to the size shelf on the Marks card to dynamically adjust the size of your bars. Finally, let's make sure your data is displayed in the right chronological order. Right-click the dimension pill on the columns shelf. Select Sort and ensure that it's sorted by your original measure, for example, using sum, your measure. This step ensures that the data isn't displayed upside down and maintains the logical flow of a waterfall chart. By following these concise steps, you'll have a functioning waterfall chart in Tableau that effectively demonstrates the accumulation or subtraction of values over time. This type of visualization can be incredibly enlightening, especially for illustrating contributions to a total within your dataset. Happy analyzing!